Hello, my name is David, and I am going to show you how to make a tiny Nintendo Switch out of polymer clay. So, first, you create the Joy-Cons, which is you take a block of clay, well, not really a block, like a rounded block, and then cut it in half, and then you put the, top buttons on, which are just snakes of clay cut to make a button. For some reason, it's not focusing. Then you cut a minus and a plus into it, and you make little Joy-Cons, which is just flattened circles of clay, one bigger, one's way smaller, and then one, just middle-sized. And then you put the 4 buttons on, which are just other flattened circles. And then for the blue one, the box, for the home screen, and then 4 buttons on top. For the red one, a joystick, and then the home symbol. And then you make the console, which is black clay. You cut a screen into it. I just made some extra detail. You don't have to. So, yeah, that's how you make the Nintendo Switch tiny. Bye. You can also create a Nintendo Switch 2 variation, which is just slightly different.